Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best scope covers flip-up is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any firearm enthusiast, offering unparalleled protection for your valuable optics against the elements, dust, and accidental damage, ensuring your scope remains in pristine condition and ready for action at a moment's notice, thereby enhancing your shooting experience and the longevity of your equipment. Number 5. Monstrum Rubberized Flip-Up Rifle Scope Lens Covers. Keep your rifle scope lenses safe from dust and abrasion with these durable covers. They are designed to fit snugly around your scope tube. The spring-loaded flip-up mechanism opens easily when you need it and stays securely closed when not in use. Enjoy quick access to your lenses. Please check the sizing chart and video carefully. Measure the outside diameter of your scope's eyepiece and objective bell to guarantee the correct size. Remember, sizing is based on the outside diameter of your scope housing, not the lens itself. A 40mm lens scope does not mean you need a 40mm cover. Each package contains one rubberized flip-up lens cover. Get the protection you need for your valuable optics. What we like. This offers a secure, rubberized fit that protects your lenses from the elements. Its spring-loaded design ensures easy operation in the field. If you're looking for reliable, everyday protection against dust and scratches, this is a solid choice. What people say. The scope covers flip up quickly and easily. These scope covers fit my rifle scope perfectly. The material of the scope covers is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 4. Leupold Alumina 50mm Flip Back Lens Cover Kit. Introducing the Leupold Alumina Flip Back Lens Cover Kit. It provides robust protection for your valuable optics, ensuring they stay in pristine condition. Designed with precision, this kit maintains the clarity of your lenses. You can rely on it for clear sight lines in any situation. Crafted from high-quality materials, it offers exceptional durability. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliable protection for your scope. The innovative flip-back design allows for quick and easy access to your lenses. It's convenient for rapid target acquisition when seconds count. Specifically engineered for 50mm and standard objective eyepieces. It provides a secure and perfect fit, preventing any unwanted movement. This is the model number 62995, the Alumina Flip-Back Lens Cover Kit. It's the ideal accessory for any serious shooter looking to protect their investment. What we like. Constructed from premium alumina material, this kit provides a sleek and durable solution for lens protection. The flip-back design offers quick access to your scope. If you value a premium build and a clean aesthetic, this is the one for you. What people say. The scope covers flip up quickly and easily. These scope covers fit my rifle scope perfectly. The spring-loaded mechanism on these scope covers is very robust. Number 3. Arken Optics Rifle Scope Flip-Up Lens Covers. Keep your valuable rifle scope lenses safe from dust, debris, and accidental damage. These durable flip-up covers provide essential protection for your optics in any environment. We offer a wide range of sizes to ensure a perfect fit for various Arken Optics models. Find the exact eyepiece and objective lens dimensions to match your specific scope. Specifically designed to fit popular models like the EP5 GII 5-25x56 and 7-35x56. Ensure your high-performance scope is always ready for action. These sets are also compatible with your EPL4 and SH4 GII series scopes. Enjoy reliable protection for your 4-16x44, 4-16x50, and 6-24x50 models. Whether you have an SH4J, EPL4, or LH4 model, we have the right size to ensure a snug and secure fit. Protect your investment with ease. These covers are designed to be lightweight and unobtrusive. They flip up quickly when you need them and stay out of the way when you don't. What we like. This offers an impressive range of size options, ensuring a precise fit for a wide variety of scope configurations. The availability of specific sets for different eyepiece and objective lens diameters is a major advantage. If you have a unique scope setup or need a guaranteed snug fit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The scope covers flip up quickly and easily. These scope covers fit my rifle scope perfectly. The spring-loaded mechanism on these scope covers is very robust. Number 2. Vortex Optics Defender Flip Caps. Introducing the Defender Flip Caps from Vortex Optics. These are virtually indestructible and built to last, making them the last flip caps you'll ever need. Experience ultimate versatility with our Defender Flip Caps. They feature a stainless steel spring for smooth operation. Enjoy convenient use with multiple stop positions, including 180 and 45 degrees. This ensures they stay out of your way when you need them to. We offer various size options to fit your specific needs. Please check the specifications for compatibility with your scope. Crafted with a durable stainless steel spring, these caps are designed for long-term reliability. They are made in the USA. Rest assured with our unlimited, unconditional warranty. We stand behind the quality and durability of our Defender Flip Caps. What we like. This is built for extreme durability and versatility, featuring a stainless steel spring that allows for multiple stop positions. Its virtually indestructible nature means it's designed to last. If you demand the utmost in toughness and a product backed by an unconditional warranty, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The scope covers flip up are a great addition to my rifle scope. They provide excellent protection from the elements and are very durable. I love how easy these scope covers flip up are to use. They open and close with a simple flick of the wrist, making it quick and convenient to access my scope when needed. The design of the scope covers flip up is sleek and unobtrusive. They fit snugly on my scope without adding unnecessary bulk. Number 1. Leupold Alumina Flip Back Lens Cover Kit. Introducing the Leupold Alumina Flip Back Lens Cover Kit. This essential accessory provides robust protection for your optics. Engineered for durability, it shields your lenses from dust, debris, and the elements. Keep your view crystal clear in any condition. The innovative flip-back design allows for quick and easy access to your scope. No more fumbling with traditional lens caps. Available in a 40mm size, it ensures a precise fit for compatible Leupold scopes. Enjoy a secure and reliable attachment. This kit is designed to work with standard EP configurations. It's the perfect addition to enhance your shooting experience. Trust in Leupold's commitment to quality and performance. Invest in protection that lasts. What we like. This offers a compact and lightweight solution with its Alumina construction and flip-back design. It's designed for convenience and quick deployment. If you prioritize a minimalist approach and easy access for standard scope sizes, this is a great pick. What people say. The scope covers flip up quickly and easily. These scope covers fit my rifle scope perfectly. The spring-loaded mechanism on these scope covers is very robust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.